Okay, so now I'm going to quickly walk you through connecting your store to Mailchimp. Obviously, if you've already done this, you can just skip right over this lesson. But the great thing about Mailchimp and several other email platforms is they make it very easy to connect your e-commerce store, and that will suck all of the data, purchase data that you get, and subscriber data for people who subscribe to your store directly into Mailchimp, which makes it very convenient for marketing to your customers and prospects down the road. So just to begin with, if you just want to Google Mailchimp e-commerce connection or Mailchimp e-commerce integration, you'll find a page on the Mailchimp website called Connect Your Online Store to Mailchimp. So just click on that. Now, Mailchimp obviously is the leading email platform, and so they have gone out of their way to build APIs or apps or connections to most of the major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, BigCommerce, BigCartel. So you're going to find detailed connection information for all of them here. And again, it's generally a very straightforward process. I'll walk you through the process for Shopify, which is the leading e-commerce platform, certainly for small business, and that is the platform that we happen to use. So in order to connect Mailchimp to your Shopify platform, you're just going to want to log into your Shopify store, and you'll be in your admin here, and you want to click on the Apps tab on the left-hand side here. All right, and then click Visit the Shopify App Store. And once you're on the store, simply search for Mailchimp for Shopify, and click Get. All right, it's going to ask for permission here, and you're going to simply want to click Install the app. Connect to Mailchimp. Now it's going to ask you to log into your Mailchimp account, so you're going to need your Mailchimp credentials here. I happen to have them saved in my LastPass here. So I'll log into this one. I have a number of stores and Mailchimp accounts. All right, now once you're inside here, you are going to be asked which list you want to connect your store to. Now, I'll get into this shortly, but it's probably best just to have one list within Mailchimp. In this account, we happen to have 3 lists, but the main list is our retailers list. So this is going to now connect any new subscriptions to that list. So they're going to automatically be filtered into that list. So make sure you choose the right list here if you have more than one list, and then click Continue. And that is it. Your store is now connected to Mailchimp. So this is a very straightforward process. It used to actually be a little bit more complex with API keys and so on, but they've simplified it in the latest version. And you're given some options to get into creating some initial emails and email sequences. I'm going to cover those in detail in some upcoming lessons, but that's it. So your store should now be connected to Shopify, and if you're not using Shopify, just quickly go through the instructions on the page that I showed you, and you'll be up and running.